This was the first time when I actually told Shazia at a point where like मुझे इससे ज़्यादा acting नहीं आती Shazia. बस करो मुझे नहीं आती.
Everyone who felt like the film could have done more, well, I just have a note for them that our film was censored.
I'm not one of those who feel like नहीं critics से क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता. I think वहाँ तक अभी तक पहुँचा नहीं हूँ मैं. कुछ साल बाद जब box office बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा तब ना critics में.
I'll wait for that moment to arrive also. It's fine. I know it will. The name of the film itself, if it were not Dhadak 2.
I'll be honest, अभी ठीक है जो भी है. I could never think of it as sequel. धड़क 2 तो मुझे it never grew on me.
We had tentatively titled the film at a very, very early stage.
Wow.
And
Wow, I love
was-
this. Shazia, I didn't know about this one. What?
Yeah, I know.
Shazia Iqbal, Siddhant Chaturvedi. Hello.
Hello. How are you doing?
You're all in
I'm
different
great.
parts
How's New
of
York?
well, you're in US, right? Sucharita?
Yes, I am in New York. Shazia, you're clearly just outside your shower
In Bombay.
at this point at home. And Siddhant, where are you?
I'm in a hotel room. I'm in Varanasi in a hotel room.
Doing what? You're
Just
shooting
came
in
from
Varanasi?
Gangarati. No, I was here for the Jagran Film Festival. So, yeah, just a short trip.
Okay, wonderful. Well, we're here, gathered here together, ladies and gentlemen, to tell people that this wonderful film that Shazia made, Dhadak 2, is now on Netflix. You guys can stream it, you guys can watch it, you guys must watch it. And we're just here to sort of remind people that ये film अभी आपके घर पे आ गई है. आप अपने टीवी पे, लैपटॉप पे, फोन पे भी देख सकते हो यार. ट्रेन में चलते फिरते लोग देखते हैं नेटफ्लिक्स. तो प्लीज वॉच दैट ऑल्सो.
नहीं यार, ऐसे ट्रेन में चलते फिरते नहीं देखना चाहिए. We shouldn't encourage it. Unfortunately,
I
it's
know.
the truth. Yeah.
बट इट्स जस्ट
हाँ, ट्रेन में
फैक्ट्स.
चलते फिरते देखेंगे तो डेंजरस है. या रास्ते पे चलते फिरते देख लो. नहीं, एक्चुअली वो भी डेंजरस है.
नहीं, बट क्योंकि
Engaging.
नेटफ्लिक्स
देख लो.
Netflix gives you that option ना कि आप फोन पे देखो, आपको सस्ता
Yeah.
पड़ती है वो वाली सब्सक्रिप्शन. तो a lot of people in India have that subscription and
अच्छा,
that's where
मुझे
they
लगा
watch.
जान का खतरा है, इसलिए आप लोग बोल रहे हो कि ट्रेन में चलते फिरते मत देखो. कितने
नहीं
आप लोग
भाई,
सेल्फिश हो गए
engagement
यार.
बात कर रहे हैं.
Size of
फिर
the
मेरी
frame.
बैठ के देखो. अच्छा, साइज ऑफ द फ्रेम. I was thinking about the safety of people.
Which is also true, but अभी point है
Yes,
कि देखो
guys,
film.
that's the first.
अच्छा शाजिया, सबसे पहले बताओ मुझे कि what were you hoping that Dhadak 2 will do out in the world once people consume it, and has it done that? Have you seen that happen?
Actually, when you're making a film, I think directly, लोगों के बारे में सोचना नहीं चाहिए but there are certain thoughts because of course, like, I've been talking about हमारा reach या फिर ultimately where the film goes is bifurcated. या तो आप, there are 3 different routes. It's either you take it to festival, do a distribution there, or and then come home. Which Homebound has done, and either or you go directly in theater and then probably release in OTT, or it's a direct to OTT release. तो वो जब आपको पता रहता है कि theatrical release है, so you make the film in a certain way and expected it to have a response, but जितना मिला है, मतलब ये सोचा था कि शायद थिएटर में और ज्यादा चलेगी, but वो बहुत सारी चीजों पे डिपेंड करता है. बट जो रिस्पॉन्स मिला है, जो सोचा नहीं था कि इतना इमोशनल रिस्पॉन्स मिलेगा, वो दैट हैज बीन वेरी ओवरवेलमिंग कि
Yeah.
डायरेक्ट पीपल फ्रॉम द कम्युनिटी एंड different set of minorities, people coming and saying, यार for the first time we are feeling कि एक हिंदी mainstream film में मैं अपने आप को बड़े पर्दे पे देख रहा हूँ. So देख रही हूँ. So the thing is that response, मतलब इतना डिटेल में सोचा नहीं था कि लोगों को कितना impact करेगा. That has been very actually it has been quite emotional, and there has been quite a few NGO screenings and all where people from the community, minority, women, LGBTQI people, like, they have all come and they have said कि यार हमें लग रहा है we have a way to fight it out now. Which, these 2 transgender women came to me and they said, can you please make a film on our community, because we are always represented as sex workers in Hindi mainstream films.
Yeah.
And we are so much more than that. And it's not, I mean, we should be shown as regular people, which we are not, and that representation is important. So it was very touching for me कि कोई आकर के बोल रहा है कि आप हमारी कहानी बोल सकते हो क्या. That kind of response I didn't expect at all. मतलब हम तो सिर्फ we are trying to make a good film. Yeah.
थिएटर्स में पहुंच जाए किसी तरह. सिद्धार्थ, जब आप फिल्में कर रहे हो, साइन कर रहे हो, इस किस्म के रिस्पॉन्स के बारे में आप सोचते हो? बिकॉज यू नो you're a young actor and you're a quote unquote role model for a lot of young people who are watching, right? People do tend to emulate what actors are doing on the screen, consciously, subconsciously, but they do tend to do that. Do you think about these things that शाजिया ने जो अभी बोला कि ऐसे लोग देखेंगे, कंज्यूम करेंगे और क्या आपस में बातें करेंगे इस फिल्म के बारे में?
Obviously, I mean, when you're making a film, you expect a certain kind of impact or entertainment or both. So I always have that in mind that, जब ये film आएगी, when people will watch it, they'll be either, पैसा वसूल entertainment, or there'll be some kind of message in the film, or some kind of impact in a good way that the film will leave. And beyond that, the thing is, I don't think much, because I feel formulating anything has never worked. I mean, nobody knows what's going to work, what's not going to work. So I think as an artist also, one should never think about what the audience likes, and just be free. One should just have a voice and feel free to choose or create something which they really really believe in.
Yeah.
And that's been my journey. I've always chosen films which I feel I want to tell, or I feel a certain way about it, or this should be out. So for me, the choices have always been like that. Box office or not, I mean, that's something which I haven't actually sat down and thought about it. Never. I mean, I tried to, because obviously you have 100 people telling you, need a box office, this, that. But I realized after listening to most of them that they themselves don't know what's gonna work. Some people are just copying things which have already been done, using the same tropes, or it's then then you're getting into this loop of creating a project, which really kind of demotivates me to work. Sometimes it's always good to know, because that's the reason we are here, to create art, and it's up for judgment, it's up for viewing, and that's the thrill. You don't know. I mean, it makes different people feel different things.
Yeah.
So I mean, that's the thrill. If
Yeah.
if I already knew, like, if I had like a crystal ball where I could see that, okay, this film is going to be doing well, so let's do this film, then I think the thrill of creating is only gone. I think the journey is nice when we are constantly thinking, "Arey,
It's
ye,
also to
what
discover it.
will this
Yeah.
scene be?
हाँ.
How will this scene impact people?"
पैंडर तो देखो
So
करना भी नहीं चाहिए ऑडियंस को जो चाहिए आप अगर उनको वही देते रहेंगे बार बार, तो ये तो कल्चर के लिए लार्जली इट इज नॉट वेरी गुड, नॉट वेरी बेनिफिशियल इफ यू जस्ट कीप गिविंग द सेम थिंग ओवर एंड ओवर दैट यू नो दैट
And
they're
I
expecting
don't
to
think they'll
get.
take it also. I don't think they'll take it also. It's like the diminishing law of marginal utility, where things, you keep showing the same thing and they will.
Spoken like a padha likha actor. Diminishing law of what utility? Jesus, what?
Marginal utility. Basically, when you keep showing the same thing again and again, obviously the value will drop down. And that's why I think overall, I think that's what's been happening also in our industry. There was a
Yes.
time, the glory period of Bollywood and Hindi films, and suddenly everybody's guessing and scratching their heads, and they're not understanding that you should try to show the same thing again and again. And usme se we get motivated, because certain films are like, theek hai, we kind of now trying to make good stories, and then suddenly something works out of nowhere, and when you actually watch it and you're like, अच्छा ये तो वही है जो 10 साल पहले देखा था, मतलब लोगों को
Yeah.
यही चाहिए क्या? So it's so random, and you can never know, and that's the beauty of our industry, I feel.
It's
It's
a
very
very
random.
like bizarre time right now where we're getting these big like masculine actioners, but we're also like Sayara's also working, and Dhadak 2 everybody's talking about, and Homebound everybody's talking about, Sabar Bonda, Rana Dagobati is like, go watch this Marathi film that won Sundance. It's so, and all these Boong, the Manipuri film Boong is in theaters that Farhan
There's
Akhtar is
so
telling
much.
people to go watch,
Yeah.
right? It's an interesting time, and simultaneously there's also Dhurandhar ka trailer that is playing before everything, right? War 2 is also coming, Kuli is also coming. So I'm like, it's a time of churning, but it's interesting to see all this happen. Now, Siddhant, I have seen everything you've ever done, with the exception of Yudra, I believe. That is the only film. And I'm talking about film work, not series work. But Yudra मेरे से miss हुई. उसके अलावा मैंने सब देखा है, right? Where do you place Dhadak 2 in your own sort of listing of films closest to your heart? And you can say number one right now because Shazia is here, but Sachi is Sachi.
Come on,
Uh,
Sid. He's
Honestly, I'll be
thinking
very,
you
very, very.
already upset by saying that.
Yudra is very close to me. Number one is I'm just kidding. Uh, Because both of you haven't seen it, so you'll never know. Maybe it's a masterpiece in like the next 10 years when people realize. No, I'm just
Perhaps.
kidding. I feel as an actor, as you know, when you get satisfied by a performance, which happens very rarely,
Yeah.
one never gets satisfied. Um, this was the first time when I actually told Shazia at a point where like मुझे इससे ज़्यादा acting नहीं आती शाजिया बस करो मुझे नहीं आती. So
Yeah.
as an actor, when in fact at the end of the film I said कि मैं पूरा खाली हो गया हूँ. I think I'm not gonna work for a year because I need to now go back, blend into the real world, and actually start filling myself up for new emotions or a better kind of emotions because I think I am so emotionally naked in this film. I've given everything, like, and I felt so empty, and that is such a satisfying feeling in the end. So I think in
Yeah.
my ranking, this is has to be not just because she's on the call, but this has to be my number one. I think this pushed me as a person, as a
I have
human
to
being.
have to jump into that answer that actually when we were shooting the Birju death scene and he runs towards the train and he breaks down, that's a one shot, one take shot, and because there was actually live train passing and he had to perform and we just kept the camera on for 11 minutes and he was crying and crying and of course he had broken down and the boys behind him also had broken down, Bhimbala, Sachin, the friends, but he was just crying and crying and he went and I didn't call for cut. Matlab, eventually we
Yeah.
just stopped. There are a lot of wet eyes in the crew that time, and I was crying. And I got him tea, and we sat on the tracks on a live track. There was a lot of risk shooting there,
कि
but
कर दो बर्बाद
he
हो रहा है
told
तो होने दो बर्बाद इसको आज.
हाँ, he told me कि मतलब it's been very cathartic for him to work on the film. He's never cried so much in his life as much as he has in the film. And
Yeah.
honestly, the film, of course, is very important, but sometimes moments like that become so crucial. The process becomes so, it becomes like once in a lifetime you experience a moment like that where you just remember it, and that is equally important to make a film, and it's not just about what the film eventually does and
Now,
everything. So yeah.
speaking of the train tracks, that's a very, very, very crucial, very important sequence in Mari Selvaraj's setup as well. In fact, his film starts on the train tracks and then it ends on the train tracks. So he bookends it with the train tracks. Has he seen Dhadak too? Has he reached out to you? Have you spoken? Has he happy with what you've done?
Not yet. I mean, it's released. It was, I don't know whether it was released in a theater where, I have briefly met Kathir at a Amazon party, and he was very excited that the film is getting adapted. But Mari, I have not met, and I'm hoping that through Netflix he now watches the film, and I would
Yeah.
love to know what he and Paranji has to say about it. Yeah, haven't
But
seen, haven't
he's
spoken.
supportive of the endeavor, yes? Of the entire thing?
I know that Paranjit is, he was,
Yeah.
but I'm not sure. I mean, we don't have any common friends for us to know what he really thinks about. I'm sure as a filmmaker, there must be some doubts कि कर पाएंगे कि नहीं कर पाएंगे, या, they will get the message through or not. I'm sure that's there in any filmmakers whose work is getting adapted. उतना
Yeah.
thought तो होगा. I would love to know what he thinks about it.
Abhi Periyaram Perumal also I think completed like 7 years or something, and that is such a
Yeah,
significant
I saw
film
that
for
post.
For Indian cinema.
Yeah.
Yeah, very significant film. Siddhant, do you engage with the reviews and things like that? Do you follow what professionals are saying about the film once it's out?
Always. I
Yeah.
think because that's the only thing I have. I mean, the only thing I'm confident about is the craft, not the box office, not the PR game, not the nothing else. The only thing I have is the craft, and I feel critics are the best ones to actually judge that. I'm not one of those who feel like नहीं critics से क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है. आई थिंक वहां तक अभी तक पहुंचा नहीं हूँ मैं. कुछ साल बाद जब बॉक्स ऑफिस बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा तब ना क्रिटिक्स. बट अभी फिलहाल
It's
तो
okay. It's okay. I'll wait for that moment to arrive. Also, it's fine. I know it will.
इस बार तो मतलब फिलहाल लाइक शुरू में तो बिकॉज दैट्स आई मीन आई टेक माई क्राफ्ट वेरी सीरियसली एंड आई नो द ओनली पीपल हु एक्चुअली बिकॉज they watch a lot of films and everything so minutely. So I think it's always a learning curve for me since it's been since my first film. Ki, kya, even the audience actually. I also like read everything and I try to respond to everything, because I think it's their right, because they are the ones who have made me. The critics are the ones who actually got me here. They hailed my performance in my first film, in Inside Edge, and that's why I think that also got the attention of the fraternity and the audience who actually showered me with love. So I think I will try to keep this, with me as long as possible, because this is very important for me. I think because you guys are the ones who have actually. This is the reason I'm here. So I will never try to be like, I don't care. That's never going to be the case. I will always. I'm. I think I think I'll always be like very attentive, and all ears to whatever criticism or good things or bad things which I need to work on, and that's how I think I'll improve. So I'm like AI. Hee hee.
Oh God,
Just
no,
keep
no,
feeding
no.
me in, and
Please never be like AI, man. That is so scary. Never be like AI. Please continue to be original and
No, but
human.
the thing
Shazia, I
is,
know.
film
I
critiquing
know, that's what I'm
is
saying. You
sorry,
watch
taking off on that,
everything.
film critiquing
You
is
read
so
everything and you watch
important
everything.
because yeah, I do because, and I would also read opinion pieces, and I would also read. I mean, film critics are supposed to be more expertise in their field, and I would be interested in reading because when people write about a film lives longer. So
Yep.
it's not that and अगर किसी को मतलब 10 में से 6 चीज पसंद आई है 4 नहीं पसंद आई है it's fine. It doesn't need to be like everyone has to agree with me, or also I'm like this is my first film, so there are some people who've written like but the great thing about our film is that everyone who felt like the film could have done more, I just have a note for them that our film was censored. But also, everyone has universally praised all the actors and especially Siddhant and Tripti's performance. And
And
that for
Saurabh.
me is like a big compliment. And sort of, in fact, there are people who are talking about Priyank Tiwari and Anubha and Vipin and Saurabh and everyone. So,
Saad.
जिन्होंने बोला है कि
Yeah.
film is not like up there, but still they have praised the performance. And I would, I'm very happy about that. As like that's a unanimous thing in all the
Yeah.
reviews. But yeah,
You'll
it's
take
very
what you
important. I feel like
get.
absolutely, absolutely.
So, Siddhant, what is it like working with people like Vipin Sharma and Saurabh Sachdeva and all these like fucking actors, like actors, intense actors?
Very. I've seen their work since a long time. I've been a huge fan following their journey. I think it's always been, I'm always kind of looking for a little bit of, a pat on my shoulder, or like a little bit of like, acha kiya tune, after the take. It's still there in me, so, with Vipin sir, and also Saurabh sir. And also, I think all the senior actors there, even actually, to be honest, all the young actors, the new actors, Aditya Thackeray, Saad, I always kind of, I'm after the scene is like when they say cut, I feel like, going up to them and feeling like, how did you feel about the scene? Is it, can I do better? Oh, let's make the scene even better. Can we? So I'm very like always trying to kind of, learn in a way on ground as well. I mean, obviously there's Shazia who's always directing and also kind of controlling us, because we sometimes go like a little uncontrollably mad, because we have a lot of fun around also. So she was the one who डांट लगाती थी कि अरे अब वापस आ जाओ. But I mean that always used to start with
डांट
the
कब
conversation. Used to
लगाया?
start with how do you make it better?
Don't say all these
बहुत
things.
डांट लगाया.
डांट कब लगा? कुछ भी.
सिस अगर डांट
नहीं नहीं
लगाया
टीचर
तो
की तरह
लगाया
मस्ती.
यार. हाँ तो यू आर इन चार्ज यार. दिस इज योर योर नेम इज ऑन द लाइन. यूर इन चार्ज. प्लीज डांट लगाओ सबको. आई एम
नहीं
वेरी
बहुत
मच इन
प्यार से,
फेवर ऑफ
बहुत
डांट
प्यार से,
लगाना.
मतलब साइड में लेट्स, और डांट लगाना इज लाइक लेट्स गो फॉर अ वॉक. तो वेरी लाइक
Yeah.
प्यार से,
By
कोई अभी
end,
बात
these
नहीं
guys are
करेगा.
all imitating me because whenever something is not working, I would be like, okay, let's go for a walk. And then we would actually go for a walk and have a long conversation. Crew is waiting, we'll have a little conversation, come back.
अच्छा
But I
इस फिल्म
really,
में जो नाम है किरदारों के वो दोनों मुझे तो बहुत पता. व्हेन यू थिंक अबाउट इट लिटिल बिट राइट. विधि इज कॉल्ड विधि बिकॉज देयर विधि मींस द वे ऑफ डूइंग थिंग्स एंड दिस इज द वे थिंग्स आर डन. एंड देन नीलेश इज कॉल्ड नीलेश आई अज्यूम बिकॉज इज एन homage to the color blue. The name of the film itself, if it were not Dhadak 2, because that has been a conversation that has sort of been like What? Why? Maybe was this a working title that then became the final title or whatever? What is the story there, Shazia? Whatever you can tell us. And if it weren't called Dhadak 2, what would you have titled your film? Whatever you can tell us, tell
I mean,
us.
not really. Siddhant, you want to answer that?
ये ट्रिकी
Um,
क्वेश्चन है ना, क्योंकि यार ऑनेस्टली ऑनेस्टली बता रहा हूँ, आई बी ऑनेस्ट, अभी ठीक है जो भी है, वी वर
Ah.
नेवर इन फेवर ऑफ, when I heard the script, I could never think of it as, a sequel. Because see, the thing is, I feel this whole film is talking about identity, right? And firstly, it's a remake, so we are already burdened with something. Then it's a sequel. So हमारी आइडेंटिटी कहाँ गई? तो बहुत सिंबॉलिकली, आयरॉनिकली, धड़क टू तो मुझे, आई नेवर, इट नेवर ग्रू ऑन मी ऑनेस्टली, आई, बिकॉज मेरे लिए
same.
फिल्म का मुद्दा ये था कि गाय इज लुकिंग फॉर हिज आइडेंटिटी, एंड हम, हमारी खुद ही की आइडेंटिटी नहीं है, बिकॉज इट्स अ रीमेक एंड देन इट्स अ सीक्वल. सो रीमेक तो है, बट फिर भी लाइक वी हैव चेंज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, एंड वी हैव ट्राइड टू काइंड ऑफ फिट इट टू द geographical conditions, and we have done our bits in, in the screenplay as well. It's not like screen frame to frame,
Hmm.
exactly हमने उठा के कर दिया. Everything is, in fact, I have not even seen the original film till date. um,
Acha,
and
you've not seen
that was the,
Periyaram Perumal?
no, I haven't.
A lot of my crew has not seen it because we were not, matlab, just to make it very clear, because I know it's a little sad, but what Rahul Desai said in his review, right, that it's a lose-lose situation, which I got to know after actually much before the film released. There was a lot of hate on Reddit because it was called Dhadak 2, because it was an adaptation of a film that is
Literally, never
revered.
read Reddit. Never read Reddit. If there is one
I don't know what
advice
it was.
I can give you, as
I don't
somebody
know
who's
what it
been doing
was.
this for a while, never read
So
Reddit.
one of my
Just
CA
don't do it.
actually sent it to me, and I didn't know of Reddit's existence. And they were like, "Dekho film ke baare mein, people, film is getting hate." But I have to say, the day the film released, the hate changed to love. So anyway, keeping that aside, we had tentatively titled the film Panther at a very, very early stage because of Dalit Panthers.
Wow.
And the name of the group that Shekhar runs was called Dalit Panther, and that's why Nilesh's journey was about becoming a panther. So that was,
Wow, I
it
love
was,
this.
yeah,
Oh, Shazi, I didn't
I
know about
mean,
this one. We were going, what?
yeah, I know.
This was taken
From
from us.
Sher to
I am
Panther.
very sad.
Oh, mm.
Yeah, there was a climax that we had written where he literally lands on the, car with his father, and he
Yeah.
jumps like a panther on the car. So anyway, there's a lot changes thing. These are the decisions that not everything is in the hand of the director or the creative team. There are a lot of different, and I would not. It's not a blame, but people who are at the helm of marketing the film and putting it out there, they are at a lot of pressure because things are not working in the theater, right? So these are the tricks they thought it would work. But yes, we did. Unfortunately, we got burdened by not only the original, which I didn't know it's going to weigh so heavily on us, to a point of being a little unfair because we were not trying to remake Periram Perumal. We were trying to make our own film. And I think
Hmm.
that should be the only attitude while adapting a film. Because आप अपने आप को अगर यही करके हम वो बना रहे हैं उसको हम होमाज नहीं दे रहे हैं. We are trying to make another film for mostly people that have not seen the film, and also for people who love that film. There have been a lot of people who are like, oh, this film stand its own ground. But of course, there are very, very staunch Periram fans who, like, on all our good reviews, there'll be one comment, पर आपने Periram Perumal देखी है क्या? They have that kind of, loyalty to the film, which is fine, which is, of course,
But like
okay.
Rahul also said in his review, there is that trepidation when anybody is going into the film because Periyaram Perumal is not a lesser known film. It is a very famous film. It's very big. It's
Exactly,
very
exactly.
important in the zeitgeist of storytelling. And hence, the trepidation was, what are we doing here? But then you watch the film and you see what you've brought into it, what your co-writer Rahul has brought into it as well, and how you've added a layer of the feminist gaze that was perhaps missing in Periyaram Perumal, and you've taken it there, and perhaps it'll take the film to a larger Hindi-speaking audience, which is a win-win in my eyes. You're not looking down upon the original, and you're not aping the original. It's a win-win. Who's losing here? Everyone's winning in this situation.
Yeah,
So
But I have to
whatever.
watch it now.
yeah.
I will watch it very soon. I really wanted to watch it, but I thought एक बार रिलीज हो जाएगी उसके बाद ही देखूंगा.
अब देख लो, अब हर तरह से रिलीज हो चुकी है,
फिर
अब
मेरा रिव्यू
स्ट्रीमिंग
आएगा.
पे भी रिलीज हो
फिर
चुकी
मेरा
है.
रिव्यू आएगा. @ शाजिया इकबाल. बट पैंथर यार करना चाहिए था. Shit.
मिस हुआ,
What a title.
मिस हुआ ये, ओहो.
अब मैं उसको
कोई बात
रजिस्टर कर लेती हूँ मेरी किसी और फिल्म के लिए।
ठीक है, ठीक
Yeah,
है,
I
चलिए,
think we should. नहीं तो ये कोई बिग स्केल एक्शन फिल्म क्या टाइटल हो सकता है ये.
देखिए अब.
Also, guy, by the way, Shazia also is her favorite genre is actually action. Nobody knows this, huh? She's a huge fan of Korean action dramas. So I'm hoping that we see something different in her next film, which is, and she's full of surprises like that.
It's just that
That's a,
convincing people to let a woman helm an action film is going to be such a big task, but I'm going to take that challenge
I'm up for
upon
it.
me and do the action film.
I'm with you. I'm with you.
करना तो
युद्रा देख
पड़ेगा.
लेना, एक्शन अच्छा ही करता हूँ. युद्रा देख लेना. ऑडिशन टेप है मेरा वो.
ये सही है. On one hand, Siddhant is promising to watch Periyaram Perumal and Shazia is promising to watch Yudra because there is this gap
Yeah.
in both of your cinema education to watch these films. लिसन, करना तो पड़ेगा शाजिया. तुम नहीं करोगे, हम नहीं करेंगे तो कौन करेगा? कभी किसी फीमेल्स लेडीज को कुछ करने के लिए मिलता नहीं है. ये लो, कर लो.
और एक्शन फिल्म मतलब बनाल मसाला फिल्म नहीं होता. एक्शन फिल्म कैन बी सो मच मोर and the
Yeah.
Koreans
Yeah.
have shown that. I think they should go into that direction. And I don't know if you've seen this film called Villainous. The Villainous. It's a Korean
Oh,
action
yeah.
film that is. I mean, I would love to
Fantastic.
do something. It's a revenge thriller. But yeah, full on, the woman is doing action
Yeah.
like nobody's.
मजेदार.
I don't
अभी
think
हमारे
make films
पास
like that.
5 ही मिनट बाकी हैं, तो अब हम क्विकली डिस्कस करेंगे कि क्या क्या हमने देखा है रिसेंटली, क्या चल रहा है जिंदगी में. आर यू गाइज वॉचिंग मूवीज, आर यू वॉचिंग सीरीज, आर देयर एनी recommendations that you want to give out to people, because September has been such a heavy film month, not just in India but
Yeah,
globally also. So many films.
I want
Siddhant,
to
have you seen
recommend
anything?
all the
हाँ.
movies I've seen. Everything. Like Humans in the Loop, Jugnuma, Boong. Oh my God, I loved Boong. Boong is so good. But of course, I have still not seen Homebound, but my favorite is Suburbonda. It's
So
Wow.
good.
Matlab, I don't
It's
know.
so good.
It's so beautiful. And of course, I saw PTA's One Battle After Another just last week. And I think it's my film of the year. I don't think any other film will surpass this one. What a film. What an epic film. And such a personal story. But उसके बैकग्राउंड में जो डायरेक्टर को बोलना था सब बोल गए यार.
You know, I watched it in
And
New York City with Paul Thomas Anderson and Leonardo DiCaprio and
I
Benicio
saw
del
your picture.
Toro
I was
and
Wow.
Chase
impressed.
Infinity. And it was like entering a different dimension of experiencing cinema and the reason why somebody makes their films that they do. And it was just a fabulous experience.
Yeah.
Siddhant, what have you seen recently?
I'm in the spot right now. Lately I've seen
Siddhant has been traveling
I
a lot.
watched no I mean yeah, and I watched F1. I watched Mission Impossible. I watched Demon Slayer. Um, and what else did I watch? I watched the Fantastic Four. Why am I just say something smart? I don't know. I mean, I really enjoy films. And what else was I watching? I watched The Studio. The Studio was very good.
Yeah, very fun.
Yeah, and
कोई बात नहीं,
yeah,
आपको हम
I
लिस्ट
think
दे देते हैं, वॉच लिस्ट देखने के लिए सारी
I
की सारी
need
फिल्में.
that watch list. Actually,
Yeah,
I've been
One Battle
traveling, and
After
when I'm
Another
traveling, I
is so
usually
powerful.
want to these films need a lot of attention.
Yeah.
And when I was traveling, I was like, just एक कुछ ऐसी जिसमें मजा आए, थोड़ा ज़्यादा सोचना ना पड़े. So that's why I ended up watching all these films. But I have these films on the list. I watched The Materialist as well, which is
Very
okay.
fun.
Not
I liked it.
yeah. I was expecting a little more, but I was not like blown away by it, but it was decent.
In
It was
fact,
good.
it's very interesting. I felt like The Materialists was sort of in conversation with Kho Gaya Hum Kahan in the way that it tries to address relationships in the modern age and what they mean. And
Yeah.
I felt that thought crossed my mind that those films could be they could make very good companion pieces. One is a younger set of demographics, that and other is an older millennial that they're speaking to, but good companion pieces, both of them. I felt.
Wow.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you for chatting with me today. Thank you for taking the time out. If you speak with
Thank you.
Priti, tell her I said hi.
Thank you,
And once
Deepika.
again, one more reminder for anybody who's watching the film Dhadak 2, which could have been Panther, is streaming on Netflix under the title Dhadak 2. And you should go and watch it. Watch it for what Shazia Iqbal brings to the original story. Watch it for what Siddhant and Tripti bring to their characters. And watch it for the entire cast coming together to tell a story that is as timely as it is interesting. My name is Sucharita, and thanks for stopping by. Thanks, guys.
Thank you
Thank you,
so much.
Sucharita. It was a great
Thank you.
conversation. Had fun. Lot of
Great
Right?
revelations today.
conversation.
And I need that film list.
Yeah. You know, I
Yeah.
have not told about this title to anyone. This is the first time.
गया रजिस्टर कर लो अभी चला जाएगा.
Scoop.
If you make a reel out of this, it is going to be shared by a lot of people.
Yeah.
Action
This has
action
been
बनाते हैं next up.